Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Under Armour Sport Wireless Train On-Ear Sport Headphones. The Dwayne Johnson Project Rock Edition. Now you can pick these up at underarmour.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $250. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. Rugged design with an IPX4 rating built to withstand the toughest gym conditions. Under Armour SuperVent air cushions deliver true breathability in a light, durable, fast-drying fabric that's removable and hand washable. Grip material completely lines the inner headband and ear cushions, providing a soft feel and maximum stability. 16-hour battery life lets you power through a whole week of workouts, and a 5-minute speed charge provides you 1 hour of playback. Easy to connect Bluetooth technology delivers cable-free, zero distraction performance. Now check this out. JBL Charged Sound for bold sound tuned for sport with rich bass to crush your workouts. So these are tuned by JBL. Oversized controls with premium finishes provide durability and easy access. Now these also feature Talk-Thru technology. So that drops the music down and turns on speech-optimized noise-canceling mics so you can easily talk between sets without removing your headphones. You can also mute your mic in calls, trigger Siri or Google Now. Now you got rugged metal hinges, fold ear cups into the headband for compact carrying, and you get a molded hard case for on-the-go protection. All of that for $250. Let's check these out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. Here we go. Under Armour Sport Wireless Train On-Ear Sport Headphones, Dwayne Johnson Project Rock Edition. Blood, sweat, respect. That's the OG right there. Let's see on the other side. Here's your rock-proof case. All right, so we're going to check that out. Let's see, training-proof, Talk-Thru technology, SuperVent removable air cushions, 16-hour battery life with speed charge. So 5 minutes of charge, give you 1 hour of playback. Nice looking presentation. Let's grab a little unboxing knife. Shout out to the Tiger Tooth. Here we go. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay. Did I get that first one? Rah. Okay, let's slide these out. Check this out. Rock-proof case. Okay, blood, sweat, respect. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's all you get in the box. Okay. Let's open this up. Now this case is pretty lit. You got a carabiner clip. Nice quality on this. Let me do the smell test. Smells like the gym. The glorious house of gains. That's just where we're about to go to. Let's open this up. Now I'm trying to rush through this because I'm trying to catch my gym before they close so I can test these out. Inside, your usual books and shit. Check this out. JBL. Okay, I respect that. Warranty information. Zerks, fall back. Zerks just locked down the case. Zerks, can I get the case, please? That's some poison for the trolls. Happy 4th of July. Let me save this for my margaritas. Inside, this is a micro USB charging cable. Okay, pretty short. You got a 3.5 for when your battery dies. And that's pretty much it. Now here's your headphones. Matter of fact, let's see inside the case. A little soft feel in this. Got a little pouch right here to store your cables. All right, Zerks, now you can jump in. Now for the headphones. Fresh out of the gate, super lightweight. Okay, I thought they was going to be a little bit heavier than these. Definitely lightweight. Soft headband on the top. Blood, sweat, respect. All right, let me file Xerxes to the side. Rah. I know. Blood, sweat, respect. On one side, you got your rock logo. All right, shout out to the Texas Longhorns. That kind of reminds me of Texas. Look at all that hair I just got on me. Let's see. These are, looks like buttons, not really buttons. Okay, here we go. On one side. All right, hold up. Let me get this hair off me. All right, my bad, y'all. My OCD was kicking in with all that cat hair. All right, so let's do the stretch test on these. Maximum stretchage. They do fold up. Nice soft air cushions. They are removable. On one side, here's your power switch. So let's flick that up. Okay, they powered on. You see you got an LED. It's flashing. I can hear it. It's in pairing mode. You got volume up and down. Play and pause, skip and reverse checks, and that's also going to activate your Talk-Thru feature. On the other side, this is where you're going to plug it in. Let's see if we can open this up. micro USB charging slot. All right, let me grab a little assistance. Okay, there's your charging slot. On the other side, here's your 3.5 for your headphones. Okay. And that's pretty much it. All right, so let me pair these up. We'll do a little sound test, and then I'm going to take them to the gym and put it through the ringer. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got these all paired up, so now let's test them out. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. Once you turn on the headphones, you're going to see that LED flashing. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the JBL Rocks. Now, I got some workout music queued up. Mobb Deep, Survival of the Fittest. Let's try these out. First, I'm going to put them on. All right, they definitely feel lightweight and comfortable. I'm shaking my head around right now. They're not moving around. I can easily see myself working out with these on. Let's take it over to the music. Max volume. Woo! All right, I got to stand up because this is my song. I'm about to get hyped. No doubt, indeed. Wear that weed. If y'all know the words, sing along. Let's go. That old real shit. Let's go. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from. You can run, but you can't hide forever from these streets that we done took. You walking with your head down, scared to look. You shook, cause ain't no such things as halfway crooks. They never around when the beef cooks in my part of town. It's similar to Vietnam. Now we all grown up and old and be on the cops' control. They better have the riot gear ready. Try to bag me and get rock steady. By the Mac 1 double, I touch you and leave you with not much to go home with. My skin is thick, cause I'll be up in the mix of action. If I'm not at home, puffin' live, relaxing. Let's go, Zerks. All right, hold up. All right, let me calm down. All right, Floss, calm down, calm down. All right, y'all hear it for yourself. All right, let's see if the play and pause button works. All right, play and pause works. Whew, I was getting a little workout just now. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm definitely feeling these so far. Now I got to take them to the gym and put them to the test. We're going to test that Talk-Thru technology when people try to talk to you. See if you can talk without taking the headphones off. We're going to try all that stuff out. All right, so I'll be back. I'm going to run to the gym before they close. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just came back from the gym. I did a full savage workout, and I'm ready to let y'all know what I think about these headphones. On a scale of 1 to 10, these are a major go. I'm feeling these headphones, and they're definitely my new favorites for the gym. Now, up until today, I've been cycling through 3 sets of over-the-air headphones at the gym. Had my Soul joints. Y'all remember these? Had the SMS headphones. And another set of Soul headphones. Now, all 3 of these headphones have something in common with the Project Rock editions. That's the sweat-proof ear cups. That's the main difference between regular headphones and gym headphones. Sweat-proof ear cups. You could take any set of headphones and rock them in the gym, but you're going to have problems with the sweat. Perfect example, my Skull Candy Crusher wireless. Now I rock these in the gym when I'm doing heavy weights, but the main problem with these, if I rock them today and I want to go to the gym tomorrow, when I pull them out my bag, they're still going to be moist and wet and slimy. And I don't know about you, but there's nothing worse than pulling your headphones out the bag and they're still wet from the previous workout. That's pretty disgusting, and I don't flow like that. Now, there's 10 things that I want to cover with the Project Rock editions, so let's break it down. Number 1, the price. $250, the price is right. Now, that's right on par with all the other gym headphones, but these sound incredible. Now, if I had to compare the sound against these 3 sets of headphones, it's no contest. These are official JBL headphones. You got a lot of bass, nice and crystal clear sound. I'm not going to complain about the price at all. Number 2, the look. How do these headphones look? They definitely look like a set of gym headphones. Now, when you're up in the gym, you don't want sleek, stylish, space-age headphones. You want some rugged, manly-looking headphones. Look at these. You got that Texas Longhorn kind of symbol on it. A bull. These just look rugged. They feel rugged. Beautiful look on these. All right, these are real men headphones. Let me show you what they look like on head. Now, I was up in the gym. I took a few snapshots. All right, so that's what they're going to look like when you're rocking them. And this is me rocking them. Now, on the side note, sun's out, guns out. Let's go. All right, let's keep it moving. Number 3, Build quality. Now, these are plastic built headphones, all right, so nothing to write home about, but they feel good. They don't feel like cheap plastic. They feel nice and lightweight. Now, let me tell you something when I was rocking these headphones. Another difference between regular headphones and gym headphones is the grip. These have a nice set of grip on these ear cups. Now, if you're doing bench press, this happens to me all the time. When I'm rocking my Skull Candy Crusher wireless, if you don't have this kind of spongy grip to it, once you start sweating, these headphones move around on your head. So when you're laying flat on the bench, you're going to have to put the headphones up like this. Otherwise, as soon as you start benching, they start slipping off and sliding backwards. Now, I was doing heavy chest bench press today. These didn't move at all. I didn't have to adjust them up like this. I left them regular, and they stayed still. So I'm definitely feeling that. All right, so build quality, A1. Number 4, the feel. How do they feel? Are they comfortable or not? These are super lightweight. I rocked them the whole time I was in the gym. I didn't have to adjust my ears. Fellas, if you rock an earring, they're not going to press against your earring. It's not going to hurt at all. Nice and lightweight. No complaints with that. Number 5, battery life. Now, I'm going to have to get back to y'all maybe in a couple of days when I do a what's in my gym bag. But if these work as they're advertised, 16 hours worth of battery life, that's a major go. All right, you're not working out 16 hours a week. And 5-minute charge, give you 1 hour worth of battery life. That's a go. All right, but we'll get back to that. But like I said, if it works as advertised, nothing to complain about. Number 6, phone calls. Now, I tested this out when I was up in the gym. I had to call the 24-hour diner to see what time they close. I'm up in the gym. It's a lot of background noise. I heard the person crystal clear. They heard me. Phone calls on this is a go. So if you're rocking these headphones and you get a phone call, you're not going to have to take them off and switch or take them off and hold the phone in your hand and have all that sweat going on your phone. Just leave them on, answer the phone call. Number 7, Talk-Thru technology. Now, on the low, that might be the best feature of these headphones, and that's another reason why I say they're worth the price. Talk-Thru technology. Now, let me show you how that works. Now, when I was unboxing it, I didn't even notice that this is an actual button right here. Got a little click on it. So basically, when you're in the gym and you're listening to music and somebody comes and taps you on the shoulder and they want to start up a little conversation, you don't have to take your headphones off. Once you press that button, basically it's not going to mute the song, but the song is basically just going to fade away. You'll hear it a little bit, and you're going to hear these noise canceling mics open up. So it sounds like it's amplifying the sound. Now, it's hard to explain that over a video. You're going to have to put these on and hear them for yourself. But I tested them out a couple of times. I took the Red One Plus with me to the gym, and I know a lot of people was going to ask me to see it. So I kept taking it out, flashing it, and people kept coming up to me. I was having conversations, pressing the button, and everybody knew I was testing these headphones. So I was like, talk to me. And people was talking to me. I didn't have to take them off at all. My gym is super noisy. The music is mad loud. I was having regular conversations. So the Talk-Thru technology, that might be the best feature of these headphones. Number 8, wired connection. Now, if you use these wired, it sounds pretty much exactly the same, but the good thing is, even if your battery's dead, you can plug in the wire and still use the headphones. Now, certain headphones, I'm not going to name any names, but certain headphones, if the battery's completely dead, you can't use them. Beats. Excuse me. Something in the throat. These, you can rock them with dead battery. So, all right, so you forget to charge them up. You get to the gym, your workout is not done. Just plug them in. Unless you got an iPhone, you better have that dongle on deck. Next, the case. All right, this is number 9, the case. This case is dope. It's a hard shell case. If you notice, it has holes in the top. It's ventilated. All right, so basically what that means is once you finish working out and you're sweating all over the place, you put your headphones back in the case, they're going to be able to dry because they have ventilation in it. Now, usually what I do is if I sweat too much, I'll just leave these out. All of my other headphones, basically the same thing. You just leave them out. 3 hours later, they'll be dry. So by the time it's your next workout, you're not going to have to worry about that. Last but not least, number 10, the sound. How do these headphones sound? And they sound amazing. Now, not as much bass as the Skull Candy Crushers. Of course not. You really can't find headphones with this kind of bass because this is haptic feedback bass. So these are the headphones that I use when I'm doing my heavy, super heavy chest days and I need that extra bass pounding in my head, then I rock these. But the bass on these, it sounds great. It's nice and punchy, no distortion. The mids, the highs, everything is there. They sound exactly like a set of JBL speakers. And if you don't believe me, check this out. This is how you know it's JBL. Watch when I turn it on. Put the headphones by the mic. Watch when I turn it on. You hear that sound? That's the same sound when you turn on your JBL Extreme or your JBL Charged 3. That pairing sound, everything is the same. JBL quality sound, no complaints. They're nice and loud. Now, like I said, my gym, the music is super loud. And sometimes it's so loud that it's annoying because if I'm using my truly wireless headphones, like the Gear headphones or the Jaybirds or the X-Shock Souls, when I'm using those truly wireless headphones, sometimes I can't use them in my gym because the background music is too loud and they drown out my music. So just now, you know, it's the day before the 4th of July, everybody trying to get that pre-barbecue workout on. So my gym was just packed. Everybody's in there. The music is mad loud. They got the baseball game on. They got the Big 3 basketball game and music going on at the same time. I had these headphones on. I didn't hear nothing. All right, so sound quality on these, A1. Overall, like I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, these are a major go. I would definitely recommend getting these for the gym. Now, just in case if you don't remember these soles, these are the Bike Life headphones. I just want to talk about these real quick. Somebody asked me this question. Let me show you why these are the Bike Life headphones. Once you power them up, these have the lights. Now, if I click twice, these have flashing lights on them. Now, the sound quality on these, not the best in the world, which is pretty good for riding your bike. You don't want your headphones to be too loud when you bike riding. All right, so you're going to mess around and get hit by a car. These are my Bike Life headphones because when I'm rocking them, the more lights, the better when you're riding at night. But these right here, the Project Rock Editions, these are my certified new gym headphones. Now, maybe in about 3-4 days, I'm going to do a What's in My Gym Bag video. I'll give y'all an update with the battery. And if there's anything y'all want me to cover that I didn't cover, hit me up in the comments and I'll get back to y'all. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.